Hi, I'm Kate, Salon Director. I wanted to get in touch to say hi, let everybody know that we're missing you, and I hope everyone is well. I've thought of a few videos that I'm going to make to give some advice for things you might need at home, such as how to trim your fringe, how to cover your grey roots, and a few other bits. But please, can you get in touch with me to let me know what you would like? Tips and ideas from our amazing team that we can let you know how to manage your hair at home. I look forward to hearing from you. My first big piece of advice is on covering your grey hair. If you missed your appointment just before lockdown, I appreciate it's been a few weeks now and those greys are going to be peeking through. Please try and avoid box dye. The reason being, it's really tricky to colour just this section and it's easy to overlap to your previous colour. That's called banding. You'll have a line of where two colours overlap. Then it makes it very tricky for your colourist to get an even colour when you come back into the salon once this is over. I'm not saying to walk around with grey roots, but what I am saying for now is don't use box dye, do use a temporary colour. This is Redken's Root Fusion, £10.75. Purchase it on our website, northlanehairco.com. I'll show you how to apply it. Wash and dry your hair and spray on. It's got a little nozzle that you spray directly onto the root area and instantly covers up your roots. Things to know about Root Fusion: it comes in 4 colours: light brown, brown, black and auburn. So it's really simple to work out what colour would suit you best. It washes out after 1 shampoo, so don't wash your hair very much because we want your colour to be not fading anyway, and then your Root Fusion will last longer as well. I'll show you how to apply it next. I'm going to show you how to use the Root Fusion. I've got brown. This obviously isn't the colour that I would use myself, but I was lucky enough to have my highlights done just before we had to close. What you would do is spray about 1 centimetre from the roots and go all the way backwards and forwards. I'm going to do it underneath so I don't have to wash my hair again today, as we want our colours to last. So in your hair, and look at that coverage. So if I had grey roots, that's fully covered. That's how to apply Root Fusion, nice and easy. It is a wet spray, so just let it dry in before you put your fingers through your hair. You can then put your fingers through, it doesn't come off on your hands. If you wanted to cover your forehead when you do your parting, if you get any on your skin, then just use soap to wash it off. So fantastic product, keeps you away from your box dye, highly recommended. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful in regards to Root Fusion. Any questions, let me know, but also send your messages with advice and tips that you like from me and the fantastic team at North Lane Hair Co. I look forward to hearing from you.